the groups of vegetables and plants. Rice, wheat, maize are called cereals. Ragi, jowar, bajra are millets. Black gram, Bengal gram, pigeon pea are legumes. Carrot, radish, potato, pumpkin are called vegetables. Groundnut, castor, sesame, til are oilseeds. Mango, pear, peach, banana are fruits. Tea, coffee, cocoa are beverages. Cinnamon, cumin, pepper are spices. Cotton, coir, jute are fibers. Cinchona, neem, poppy, isabgol are medicinal plants. Rose, balsam, dahlia, lily are ornamental plants. Almond, cashew nut, walnut are nuts.